everybody, Dr. Chantel Moran here. So we've talked to you about the Renu Light Systems bed and how it can help with so many different conditions, whether it be anti-aging, getting rid of wrinkles, losing weight, arthritis, degenerative joint disease, nerve conditions, or hard to deal with autoimmune conditions. So many different things can be helped with red light therapy, and the list goes on. But today's video is going to talk about the science behind what happens when you're actually lying down inside of the bed. So when you lay inside the Renu Light bed, you can see the red light, and these wavelengths of red light penetrate past the skin and go inches deep down into the body. 3 things happen every single time, every session during the red light therapy. The first is tissue regeneration. We know that collagen is found in hair, skin, and in the nails, in the connective tissue, and in the bone. Here's the cool thing. When you're laying down inside the Renu Light bed, these wavelengths of red light stimulate the production of collagen. So with this big uptick in collagen, we're getting improvements in areas like hair, skin, nails, bones, joints, and so on. The second thing that happens is improved circulation. When you're laying down inside the Renu Light bed, the red light stimulates the release of what's called nitric oxide. Nitric oxide makes your blood vessels open up, thereby allowing more oxygen, blood flow, and more nutrients to flow through the body. Along with that, while the blood vessels are opening up, the red light's actually promoting this process called angiogenesis. This is the creation of new microvasculature, basically making new tiny blood vessels. So in terms of blood vessels that were damaged, destroyed, or no longer, they're actually growing back. The final thing that happens is a process called photobiomodulation. It's basically a fancy way of saying we have these trillions of cells inside of our body. Each cell has a mitochondria. The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. It produces energy in the form of ATP. This might ring a bell going back to high school biology. When you're lying down inside of the Renu Light bed, the red light stimulates the mitochondria to produce 200% more cellular energy. Now, what do you think your cell could do with 200% more energy? I think the answer is pretty simple. It could do everything better. So I just wanted to go through that science today with you of what's happening when you're lying down inside the Renu Light Systems bed. Regardless of the motivation for using red light therapy, you're always having those 3 processes happening inside of the body. Truly, it's an incredible therapeutic device. It's relaxing, it's safe, and there's no side effects. Tens of thousands of studies have been performed about the efficacy of red light therapy. Professional sports teams like the Los Angeles Chargers and Las Vegas Raiders have this within their facility. This is what their athletes use to recover before and after games. Joe Rogan even has one of these in his house. So if you're a big sports fan, a lot of athletes are using this right now. Also, a lot of celebrities have this, and I just find it so cool that all of our patients now have access to something that usually just professional athletes and celebrities have access to. So, this is the last time I'll mention this. We've been offering this mapping session for you if you're a patient right now or if you've ever been a patient for free. It's our gift to you. We want to make sure everyone has access to this, and as a reminder, on March 1st, there will be a fee for the mapping sessions, and the prices of the red light therapy sessions will go up. So if you are one of the few that hasn't booked your mapping session yet, all you have to do to claim this is just respond to this text message with your first and last name, or you can simply call the office. I am so looking forward to the amazing improvements in your health that will be made from using red light therapy.